Secretary Vivencio Son, you swear that you executed this complaint against CMP, si Alcantara, Bryce, Erickson V. Hernandez, J. Mendoza, and others for violation of Republic Act number 39, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, Article 217 of the Revised Penal Code, malversation of public funds in relation to Articles 171 of the Revised Penal Code, Republic Act number 9184, and other applicable laws. You swear that you voluntarily executed this complaint.
Yes, I do.
You swear that the contents of this complaint are true.
Yes, I do.
Thank you very much.
Wala dito ah. Wala pupunta sa harap ah. Baban ko kayo.
Sige po. Okay po. Sige po.
Ako yung kailan ba?
Tatagulan ng